AgTech Tech Tip: using local coordinates in Reveal. When processing data from a drone, typically the drone data is output in state plane coordinates. In some cases, the job file used for the earthwork takeoff and site model are based on a local coordinate system. This requires a translation from state plane to local coordinates. To do this, you must have a minimum of 2 benchmarks established in the field that correspond to the targets used to process the drone data. In Reveal, import the point cloud and orthomosaic TIFF image into a new project. Classification and cleanup is the same procedure regardless of the coordinate system being used. To output the data to a local coordinate system, click Localize. Click Import File to select the benchmark points. Then select the desired file type. Check Local Coordinates and click the Add Benchmarks button to select the file. Click Load. The points will import and be placed on the site, but they will not be in the correct location. The local coordinates will display above the state plane coordinates at the bottom of the screen. First, select the benchmark to be used as the anchor point. Then select the Anchor Point button at the bottom of the screen. Position the arrow on the center of the target for the corresponding benchmark. Then left-click to move the anchor point. The anchor point will turn blue. Next, select the point to be used for rotation. Position the arrow on the center of the target for the benchmark. And left-click to move the rotation point. The rotation point will turn blue. The process is complete. Click Local to view the local coordinates. And click Apply. Register the data using the same procedures as before. When exporting the data, check Local before saving the file.